Risk assessment is essential for managing information security threats. Organizations face risks such as cyber attacks, outdated security measures, and lost devices. Addressing these risks requires careful resource allocation and prioritization to ensure that the most significant threats receive attention. The key to effective risk assessment is identifying potential threats and ranking them based on their likelihood and impact. To understand risk, we must first define threats. Threats can be external forces such as natural disasters or cyber criminals. These threats exist independently of an organization. Attackers use specific methods called threat vectors to exploit weaknesses in systems, such as hacking tools or social engineering techniques. Vulnerabilities are weaknesses in an organization's security controls that threats can exploit. If a system is unpatched or a firewall is misconfigured, attackers may find ways to breach security. Risk arises when both a vulnerability and a relevant threat exist. If either element is missing, the risk is neutralized. Prioritizing risks is essential to managing security threats effectively. Risks are ranked based on their likelihood of occurring and their potential impact. For instance, earthquakes are a greater risk in California than in Wisconsin. Likewise, a severe earthquake can disrupt operations at a data center, whereas a rainstorm may only have minor effects. Organizations perform different types of risk assessments depending on their needs. One-time assessments help evaluate risks when launching a new system. Ad hoc assessments are performed in response to emerging threats. Recurring assessments ensure continuous improvement, while continuous assessments use real-time monitoring to adapt to evolving cyber threats. Different techniques can be used to assess risk. Qualitative risk assessment categorizes risks as low, medium, or high based on subjective evaluation, often using a risk matrix. Quantitative assessment, on the other hand, assigns numerical values to likelihood and impact, allowing for more precise data-driven decision-making.